Let's learn Surah At-Takathur. Yes, a Makki Surah. Ayahs are 8. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhaakumut takathur. That is a soft letter. Ra will be heavy. Sur, sur. Good. Hatta zurtumul. Zurtumul. Mim is joining with the lam. Maqabir. Ra will be light. Qaf will be heavy. Maqabir. Kalla. Straight the lam because of alif madda. Sawfa ta'lamun. Thumma kalla. Straight the lam here as well. Sawfa ta'lamun. Yes. Kalla. Stretch. لو تعلمون. Make sure you're making the Ain sound correctly from the middle part of the throat. علم. This is a lam in the middle. علم اليقين. لا ترون Ta will be light, Ra will be heavy. Make sure you are reading it like that. لا ترى. لا ترى like this. لا ترون You will be taking the sound into your nose whenever you see a noon letter with the tashdid sign on the top. Tashdid sign means this sign, a W-shaped sign. Wunnal Jahim. Good. Same goes for the letter Meme as well, because we'll read Noon Mushaddad and Meme Mushaddad always with the Gunna sound. So take the sound into your nose for a second. ثم لترونها. Good. عين اليقين. ثم لتسألن يومئذ يومئذ عن النعيم. Good job. Make sure whenever you are following with the surah, you don't have to stretch the harakat. Harakat means zabar, zir, and pesh. Means you can also say that fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Okay? So when we stretch the harakat and we don't have to, then the meaning of the Quran will change. So make sure to follow exactly that how I'm reading. To follow accurately with me to learn proper with Tajweed rules. See you in the next video. Follow for more.